Okay, now let us look at a technique which will help us make the number splitting even easier. In the last video, we looked at number splitting, which is making a number to 10. Now here you have 4 plus 9. Now you can split 9 and make 4 closer to 10. So for example, you could think about 4 plus 6 plus 3, and then this gives you 13. But it is much more easier for you mentally if you start with the larger number. So instead of splitting 9, you can split 4. So you start with the larger number, so that is 9 plus 4. You can split it as 9 plus 1 plus 3, and that gives you 13. So the key thing to remember to make number splitting easier is that you start with the larger number, as we did here, and you split the smaller number. Now it is your turn to try it out. Pause the video and try these mentally.